Hi, I'm Derek, and today we'll be discussing working with CAD geometry from other packages using SOLIDWORKS 3D Interconnect. Do you work with other companies that use a different CAD package? Are you working with legacy data from another platform? Do you struggle with data translation between softwares? All of these questions can be answered with 3D Interconnect that is found in SOLIDWORKS 2017 and newer. 3D Interconnect is much more than 3D translation. In fact, it virtually bypasses the entire translation process and allows you to work with CAD data from a variety of design tools as though that they were native SOLIDWORKS files. Its built-in intelligence understands when third-party CAD data is changed within its native design environment. By honoring face and edge IDs, changes to these files are like other changes you would make in SOLIDWORKS. In this case, a battery pack assembly was designed in Autodesk Inventor that we need to incorporate into the Myomo control module, designed in SOLIDWORKS. This could have been designed by a vendor or possibly a legacy design created in Inventor. We can use the assembly like any other SOLIDWORKS assembly, mating it in place, in this first case using the provided reference planes. But because we have all of the 3D geometry, we can mate to any surface on the components, just like you would any other SOLIDWORKS file, allowing you to work the way you expect. To simulate the change without Autodesk Inventor, we're simply going to overwrite the existing files with the new version we have on hand. To update the models, all we need to do is right-click on the assembly and choose Update Model. SOLIDWORKS then updates the assembly as well as all of its child components. This time, instead of inserting a component, we are going to open one directly, this PTC Creo file. In this example, I'll just add a couple of library features to quickly place both a keyway and slot on the inside surface of the pulley. The important thing to note here is I'm dropping these onto the faces of the part and referencing an edge in both cases, both things that may have caused challenges in the past. Adding features to these models that we are not converting to SOLIDWORKS is still possible and maintains all desired functionality. We will also add this pulley to our control module assembly by simply dragging and dropping it into place, and then making any adjustments as necessary. As we do so, we can clearly see that the slot does not line up properly with the hard stop in our design. At this point, you may need to call the vendor and have them make a change in the native CAD tool. Within SOLIDWORKS, a quick update rebuilds the downstream features just like you'd expect. 3D Interconnect provides extremely powerful new ways to work with your supply chain, customers, and files you download from the internet, virtually removing the concept of file translation. More importantly, 3D files from third-party design tools are intelligently monitored to make sure changes are propagated properly, just like any other SOLIDWORKS file. No more issues with converting files from your customer or legacy data with 3D Interconnect. To enable 3D Interconnect, you can find it within Tools options. If you still want to convert files, then make sure this option is turned off. I appreciate you taking the time to check out this video, and if you'd like to know more about SOLIDWORKS 3D Interconnect, please reach out to your local CADimensions sales representative. Have a great day.